Have you ever wondered how pirate ships, those notorious vessels of the high seas, came to be? Envision a time when these ships were the terror of the ocean, their flags sending shivers down the spines of the bravest sailors. Picture the thrill of spotting land after weeks at sea, the anticipation of hidden treasure, and the camaraderie amidst the chaos. The enigma of pirate ships is a tale as vast as the ocean itself. Let's dive into the captivating chronicles of pirate ships and unravel their mysterious origins. Our journey begins in the late 17th century, the golden age of piracy. It was a time when the high seas were ruled by rogue mariners and their mighty pirate ships. The birth of these vessels was a fusion of necessity and ingenuity. Pirates needed ships that were fast, nimble, and capable of both outpacing and outgunning their prey. Early pirate vessels were often repurposed merchant ships, chosen for their speed and maneuverability. These ships were then modified with additional cannons and improved sails, transforming them into formidable warships. The design of these pirate ships was tailor-made for the tasks at hand: swift attacks, quick getaways, and of course, the dreaded boarding actions. Below deck, the ship held all the pirates' necessities: provisions for long voyages, plenty of rum to keep spirits high, and a plethora of ill-gotten loot. These vessels were not just ships, they were the pirates' lifeline and their weapon of choice. As the centuries rolled on, pirate ships evolved, keeping pace with the changes in maritime technology. The earliest pirate vessels were rudimentary, often commandeered fishing boats or merchant vessels. But as shipbuilding technology advanced, so did the pirate ship. The introduction of the caravel in the 15th century, with its superior speed and maneuverability, was a game-changer for pirates. This allowed them to outrun and outmaneuver their prey or pursuers. Then came the galleon in the 16th century, a larger and more heavily armed ship, which became the symbol of the golden age of piracy. Pirates were quick to adapt these advancements for their own purposes. They modified ships for speed, stealth, and firepower. They added hidden compartments for loot and made modifications to intimidate their victims. From the nimble sloop to the formidable galleon, pirate ships were a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of these maritime outlaws. Pirate ships, much like the pirates themselves, have left an indelible mark on history. These vessels, synonymous with adventure and rebellion, played a significant role in shaping maritime history. Their impact extends beyond the high seas, influencing everything from popular culture to the way we perceive exploration and freedom. The allure of these ships persists, their mystique undiminished by the passage of time. So the next time you see a pirate ship, remember, it's not just a vessel but a symbol of an era that still captivates our imagination.